How to earn rewards in Heyoo. Hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to earn rewards on Heyoo. So earning rewards on Heyoo gets you access to a lot of stuff here on Heyoo, and also gives you money as well. So you earn and get a lot of stuff by just doing a few stuffs right here. So how to get the rewards right here? All we need to do is open up our Heyoo right here. On bottom right corner, click on right there, and you'll be located right here to profile. Then go down to the see task. Press on task right there. After pressing on task right there, as you can see right now, we are now located here at our task. All we need to do is click on check in. Check in. There you go. As you can see, now we've gotten there you go, gotten our total value. There we go. We got some coupons and match coupons right there. And here you will see on the bottom daily task. As you can see right now, not qualified for the task, so we are not qualified for the task. So we don't have any task right of now, but if you're in a task, do the task and then you'll get your reward. And here on my reward, here are the rewards. Total value of today's reward, not qualified for the task, so we don't have any tasks done yet. So we don't have any, what do you call this, don't have any rewards we can get right here. What if we have, we'll be able to now convert it or maybe use it right here on the app itself. So yeah, there you guys, as I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always stop at the comment below, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible in here on how to rock it. And thank you guys.